Well, folks, welcome. I'd like to introduce you to PIPPIN, the 14-foot Penn 1957 Runabout with a 1990s 25 horsepower Evinrude engine, probably one of the best engines they made. She is complete. We've completed all of the restoration now. As you can see, I'll do a quick walk around. The hull has been completely taken down, recaulked, primed and painted, 5 different layers of paint and primer. The bright work has about 6 coats of a Rust-Oleum high UV protection spar varnish, high gloss. All of the trailer has been redone. It is now sitting on 2 nice bunks, or pads as they say. Slides quite nicely. All of the rollers barely touch the bottom of the boat, as you can see right there. All of the trailer was completely taken apart from the front, repainted, primed, repainted with Rust-Oleum anti-corrosive paint. All of the appropriate patches and anti-skid has been put on. The winch has been cleaned and re-lubricated, just waiting for a spare tire to go on. But there is the boat itself. She came out pretty good. The windshield has been completely taken apart. Everything came off the boat, as you can see, and it looks quite nice. The high gloss is just beautiful. The lettering was from a company called Lettering on the Cheap. High UV protection vinyl lettering, both front and back. The interior, as you can see, just looks quite lovely. And we're going to add a shelf to that center. That little bright spot that you see is a backing plate for the eye in the front. The rest of the boat looks just gorgeous, and you can see how the high gloss shines. The little paddle seat that you see there for the operator of the boat is secure with all new brass. And we finally found, through West Marine, there's PIPPIN, the beautiful brass rear cleat. We have a second one going on the other side, and it should just be spectacular. There's the look of the interior of the boat, looking front. And here's the transom that we completely repaired. You can see that we've got the bottom paint along that bottom ridge or seam, and it came out just perfect. Karen did a superb job with help from John Adams. And we'll walk around a little bit. There's the Evinrude engine we put on yesterday with the help of Tad from across the street. And you can see all of the bright work and the brass work on PIPPIN. We put the extra brass chafing strip there, so when we add the cleat, it will prevent any chafing of the wood. But there is the beautiful PIPPIN in monotype Corsiva font, about 15 inches long and about 5.5 inches high. And again, everything was done just sweet. There's the paddle seat, which allows the tiller to sit comfortably in the back. It doesn't move or rock. Looks just gorgeous. And there's the interior of the boat. You can see all the ribs and their bright new finish. Karen will be putting in cushions on the 3 seats, the 2 seat backs, and it will have a beautiful gold embroidered P in the center right there. So this is the project. It is now completed, and I think we did a great job. Let's just hope it floats. But there is PIPPIN. I'll give you a front to back here.